In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete a WordPress site in just a few simple steps. If you're closing down a blog or cleaning up your web presence, this quick guide will help you do it safely. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. To start, log into your WordPress.com account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the WordPress logo at the top left and click it. This will show you all the sites linked to your account. Now find the site you want to delete and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Delete Site. WordPress will ask you to confirm. This is just to make sure you don't delete the wrong site by accident. Double check and then hit Delete Site again to finalize. And that's it. Your site is now deleted. Remember, this action is permanent, so make sure to back up any content you might need before deleting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.